Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture. 'Cause since I've come home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over, stop making a fool out of me? Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Oh, Valerie. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Yeah, Valerie. Why don't you come on over? Did you have to go to jail? Put your house up for sale? Did you get a good lawyer? Hope you didn't catch a tan. I hope you'll find the right man who'll fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? Hope you didn't pay that fine that you were dodging all the time. Are you still dizzy? 'Cause gremo! Vse najboljše za te. Since I've come home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress.
The best je bilo, jaz sem se imel super, cel žur je bil the best, meni je bilo zanimivo, pač malo drugače. Nismo v nekem lokalu, pa se nekaj pijemo, pa se malo pogovarjamo, ampak je nek dogodek.
Valentine's, hvala za lep večer.